Hello and welcome to Thermotherapy 101, where we will jump in and learn about all the amazing ways that we can use heat with our massage. But first of all, let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Lorraine McCormick, and I have been a licensed massage therapist for 31 years. And for the last, I would say the last 21 years or so, I have been incorporating heat in the form of hot packs. And for the last 18 years, I've been incorporating salt stones with my work. And I found that the combination of those two really lend themselves to relaxing your client on a really deeper level. With the salt stones especially, there's lots of stones out there on the market. And I just want to tell you a really quick story about my beginning with salt stone massage. It started 18 years ago when I was at a natural products expo here in Washington, D.C. And it was hundreds and hundreds of booths. And out of the booths, as I was walking around, this one corner booth caught my eye, and the glow that was emanating from it was amazing. So I walked over, and there was a gentleman selling salt lamps, and it was the first time that salt lamps had ever arrived into the country. And they didn't actually come from Pakistan or the Himalayas, they were from Poland. So he saw my badge and he saw that I was a massage therapist, and he gave me a block of sand, of salt rock. He put it in my hand, and he said that it was really good for massage. He started telling me about the minerals in the salt stone that was so concentrated, so good for the skin, your hand and your clients. But it was a brick about this big, and I really didn't quite know what to do with it, but I had a feeling that warming up these stones would be a really great idea. So I bought from him a box of bricks, went home, and the next day I pulled out my table saw and my band sander, and I started cutting these bricks to the size of a circle that would fit the palm of my hand. And that was the very beginning of salt stone massage. That was 18 years ago, and to my knowledge there was no one else at that point in America who was using it. So I cut and carved them, was very excited, figured out a way to warm them, and the rest is history. I've been using them with my work now for 18 years, and I cannot imagine giving a massage without them. I use them as a value-added service, so my clients just experience them when I'm working with medical massage or I'm doing trigger point work. I include that heat with my work. Over the years, I've had so many therapists ask me, how do you do it? Can you show me how you do it? So this training is a compilation of all the work that I do. We're massage therapists. We are creative by nature. I don't need to tell you, do this, then do this, then do this, then do this. I don't need to give you a long, laborious protocol with how to use salt stones. However, it's really important to know the basics. How to clean them, how to take care of them, how to keep them really smooth. They should not be exfoliating. A salt stone, which is a professional massage stone, should be as soft and smooth as glass, and that your client cannot feel the stone. All they feel is your hand doing the work and the heat, that intense emanating heat. So it really is a way of that I've created this course so that you can be as creative as you want. You can learn the basics. You can understand which stones are great for what areas, what muscles. We'll boil it down into some specific muscles. But the rest is up to you as a massage therapist. You can decide how you want to use them. And that's the wonderful benefit of the salt stones. You're not locked into doing anything, setting the stones on the body. That's not what we're doing here. This is learning how to use salt stones in that moving motion when you're working. And we've got it covered in 6 modules. At the end of the module, there'll be a quiz so that you get your CEs at the end of it for your qualifications as a massage therapist. And then that will unlock the bonus module at the very bottom. And in there, there's some wonderful information I'll let you get there. I won't go into it now, but the bonus module has some really great resources, point you in the direction for lots of different areas in you wanting to expand and grow your business, and a really great way to do that. So welcome to the course. Let's start with module 1.